Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. And have you ever found yourself in a CS2 match where things are not going quite your way and you wish you could start over? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do just that and how to restart a match in CS2. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our CS2 tips and tricks. Okay, restarting a match in Counter-Strike 2 can serve a lot of purposes and can be done in various reasons. Number one, um, it allows players to practice specific strategies, tactics, or techniques. It's especially useful for training exercises and improving team coordination or working on individual skills. New players or teams may restart matches to learn the game's mechanics, map layouts, and communication strategies without the pressure of a live game. In a casual or custom games, restarting can help balance teams if they become uneven due to player dropouts or imbalanced skill levels. And server administrators might restart matches to apply changes to on-server settings, such as map rotation, weapon availability, or other modifications. And restarting a match can be necessary in the event of technical glitches or server problems that disrupt the normal flow of the game. And sometimes matches can start unfairly due to various reasons like players disconnecting before the match begins. Restarting can provide fair start for everyone, right? Okay, so in Counter-Strike, how do we do that? First, you gotta you gotta know how to use the your console. If you can't find your console, all you gotta do is click on the gear icon here, go to enable developer console and click yes, and after that go to keyboard and mouse, and at the bottom, very bottom, there you go, the toggle console, you assign a key on that. Okay, after doing that, let's go to our game itself. Okay, after that, all you gotta do is simply go to your console, type this key, MP restart game. Okay, and that's a wrap for today's video, guys. It's important to note that the ability to restart matches may vary depending on the game mode and server settings and whether you are playing in a casual or competitive environment. So in many cases, restarting a match should be agreed upon by all players or team members to ensure fairness and sportsmanship. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you find this video helpful or at least entertaining, do not forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking that like button below. And I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has been part of our Easy Earl community. Your support means the world to us, and I can't thank you enough. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.